Yes, sir. What's the deal? What's good, everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy Kinfolk Kari coming back at y'all with another banger, man. And as y'all can tell by the title, man, the whole reason why y'all clicked on the video, your boy got these New Balance 550 joints in for review. But before we get into them things, man, you already know what I need y'all to do, bro. Like the video up, sub up, and ring that bell. And also leave a comment down below, man, who y'all got for the Super Bowl this year. I think I'm going for the Rams, man. But y'all let me know who y'all rocking with, man. Without further ado, let's get straight to it.
No codes, sensational, cougar is the truth. 79, might just take off the roof.
Boom, here we go, man. Starting off with the box, you got this regular New Balance box, man. Nothing really too special here. Size 11.5 is what I grabbed in these things, man. I definitely say go true to size. I wouldn't size up at all on them. Just jump right into the kicks, man. Here we go. One shoe, two shoe. Boom, here we go, man. Starting off with this first colorway. We got that Chicago Bulls vibe in this New Balance 550 joint, man. Really digging this one. This is probably my favorite one out of the two I copped, man. Just because it's a shoe that I can replace a few of my Jordans with, you know what I mean? Because all I pretty much rock is red, black, and white. So this be able to give me something to wear other than like a Bread Jordan every single day, man. Feels good to be able to switch up the brands, you know what I mean? Got these off of the YCMC website, man. I'll leave the link down below. But yeah, first colorway, and then the second one I'm gonna show now. I don't have them in hand at the moment, but I did get some footage of them joints so y'all can see it, man. It's that all white New Balance. I copped those off of a raffle on the Foot Locker app, and both pairs was 110 bucks, man. Size 11.5 is what I grabbed in these, and the 12 is what I grabbed in the white joints. Really wish I would have stuck with the 11.5, man. Some shoes I can usually get away with a 12 in, man, but not these, bro. That 12 is just, it gives me too much room. I like a snug fit in my shoe, you know what I mean? So I'll definitely recommend going true to size, you know, but if you have more of a wider foot, you might like that extra space. So I say try them on if you can, but if you can't, I say just stick to the true to size, man, for sure, for sure. But that's enough talking, man. Let's jump into the details on these joints, man. Starting from that bottom, you got that rubber cup outsole, man, all red on the first pair, neutral gray on the second, and then jumping into the midsole. Both pairs have that off-white midsole, man, with the New Balance logo looking real clean on the side. Jumping into the uppers, man, you got a pretty decent leather, man. You know, New Balance is known for their super good quality on all their shoes. Not really the case on this, you know, it's pretty much just generic leather, you know, but the craftsmanship is definitely there. I don't see any flaws, any glue stains. I will say that. And don't get me wrong, the quality is decent, you know what I mean? Especially for the price point, 110 bucks, can't really do too much complaining, man. It definitely gets the job done. And then jumping right into the tongue, man, you got that clean New Balance 550 logo with the accent colors on both pairs, man. Red, black, and white on the first, neutral gray, white, and black on the second, wrapped in them white laces. Super, super clean. I think that logo is fire, bro. It does a real good job of showing off more of the accent colors, man, and bringing more colors onto the shoe, man. Super, super clean. And then jumping to the inside, bro, you got an Ortholite insole in these joints, man. If I could pull these out, here you go, man. You got that Ortholite insole. This is pretty much all of your cushion that's gonna be in your shoe. Other than that, man, it's just pure rubber. So this is where all of your cushion is gonna come from, man, this insole. I did hear that Ortholite insoles can bottom out pretty quickly, but you know, that's just an easy fix, man. You can just throw you a new insole in there, man, no problem. Me personally, I haven't had any problems with it at all, but then again, I don't really wear these shoes every day, you know what I mean, for the insole to bottom out. I pretty much wear these probably like once a week or something like that, you know what I mean? So my insoles isn't gonna bottom out fast, but just to give you guys a heads up if you're planning on rocking these super heavy, man. But yeah, man, that's enough talking about these things, man. We covered the details. Now let's see what they talking about on feet. Yes, sir. And yeah, man, after checking them out on feet, putting a few fits together with these joints, man, I gotta say, bruh, these things are fire, man. Worth every penny, in my opinion. Easy to put fits together with. Hella colors out on the market right now, man. You got that Carolina blue, the orange, the black and white, the green, you know what I mean? You got all these colors that's out right now in the market, man. I can definitely see why the hype is at the level it is right now on these things, man. Because I feel like the sneaker culture is just itching for something new, you know what I mean? Something other than Jordan all the time, Nike, Adidas all the time. So that's another reason why I'm really digging these, man. Give me another brand to rock. Like this Chicago colorway, man, can replace a lot of Jordans that I got, man. A lot of breads, you know what I mean? I don't have to rock them every day, man. And them all white joints, I was about to cop some Forces, you feel me? But I was like, man, I don't really want no Forces right now, just because I always cop them, you know? So that was a feel good to rock something other than those major brands all the time, you know what I mean? Not saying New Balance not major, but you know, get what I'm saying. So in conclusion, man, fire shoe, 10 out of 10 in my opinion, man, with that price point. I have no complaints with these joints, man. Colorways are fire. Haven't seen a bad colorway at all in these, man. Definitely recommend you guys grab your pair if you can. And also, don't forget to like the video up, sub up, and comment down below who y'all got for the Super Bowl, man. And also your favorite New Balance model as well. It's your boy Kim Folk Car. I'm out.